Sun in Taurus in the third house. If your sun is in Taurus in the third house, your mind operates like an anchor. The sun represents your core identity. Taurus is the sign of steady value, and the third house rules your intellect, communication style, local community, and how you process information. When these energies merge, your life purpose becomes centered around grounded expression. You aren't here to scatter your thoughts or jump on every passing mental trend. You are here to master concepts deeply, speak with absolute clarity, and bring practical, common-sense wisdom to the conversations around you. The hidden strengths. Your greatest superpower is your deliberate, impactful communication. Because the third house governs expression, your Taurus drive means you think before you speak, ensuring your words have real weight and value. You possess a rare, instinctual ability to break down complex ideas into simple, practical steps that anyone can follow. You are highly reliable, an excellent listener, and a natural teacher or writer. People respect you because your advice is always realistic and grounded. You don't just gather information, you build a functional library of knowledge in your mind. The shadow and cosmic lessons, but a steady mind can easily harden into intellectual concrete. Your biggest challenge is mental stubbornness and a severe resistance to new perspectives. Once you form an opinion or decide on a method, you might completely close your mind to alternative ways of thinking, treating new ideas like an unwelcome threat to your peace. You might also struggle with mental inertia, taking too long to make decisions or finish writing projects because you are over-focusing on perfection. Your cosmic lesson is to practice mental flexibility. You must learn that changing your mind in the face of new facts is a sign of growth, not a weakness. Ultimately, you are here to be a trusted anchor for truth and practical wisdom. If you want to dive deeper into the rest of your birth chart puzzle and discover how your planetary placements interact, make sure to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have your sun in Taurus in the third house. See you in the next breakdown.